All right, today we're going to use the same proportion that we've been using all along, which is part to whole. Is equal to the percent over 100. Now we're going to use this for every single thing that we're going to be working on. That is the proportion that how we're going to set up these word problems. Commission. Commission is a percentage that's based on the amount of sales that you make. Some people, when they sell houses, they get a certain percentage from the sales. People who work for different companies, say selling computer equipment, they also get a percentage of their sales, whether it's quarterly, whether it's on a yearly basis. So when we're figuring out commissions, we're thinking that the whole is the amount of their sales, and the part is going to be the actual commission, the amount that they're going to get as a result of selling so much money worth of equipment or selling houses. So we'll dig right in with the first one. We have a salesman sold $120,000 worth of equipment to a company. He will earn 6% commission. Now remember, the commission is part, okay? So your commission is always going to be the part. So we are going to set it up. We don't know what our commission is, but we know that he sold $120,000 worth of equipment, and we know that he's getting a 6% interest. Now this one here, we can go from 100 to 120,000 by multiplying by 1,200. If we do the same up here with the 6 and we multiply by 1,200, then we know that N is equal to $7,200. Now, if you are more comfortable doing cross multiplying and dividing, you certainly can use that strategy every single time. All right, so now you need your final sentence. The salesman will earn $7,200 in commission. All right, so we're going to use this proportion, but we're going to be finding different parts of this proportion. So this one here, we found the part. We found the actual commission. Let's read number 2. Jim sold a house. His commission was 3.5%. He made $7,825, which would be his commission. What was the price of the house? Okay, if I set this up, I know that I have 3.5%. Okay, drop that percent sign and just put that number over 100. And we know that his commission, which is part, was $7,825. So what we're looking for this time is the whole. How much was the house that he sold? So here I am going to do my cross multiplying. So 3.5N is equal to 7,825 times 100. 3.5N is equal to 782,500. Divide by 3.5. Divide by 3.5. N is equal to $223,571. Now there's some change that was involved in this when I did the division, but usually when you sell a house, you don't sell it with change. Like I wouldn't put 99 cents or 89 cents with that. It's rounded to the nearest whole dollar. So the price of the house was $223,571. All right, so the first problem, we were looking for the part or the commission. The second problem, we were looking for the whole or the price of the house. And the last problem, we're going to be looking for the rate. So Tom sold $172,000 worth of computer equipment. His commission was $8,395. What was his commission rate? So we are looking this time for the percent. So his part, $8,395, and his whole was $172,000. So he sold $172,000 and he earned $8,395. So I know that I could go from 100 to 172,000, but then I wouldn't be able to go from N over there. So instead I'm going to do my cross multiplying. So I'm going to have 172,000 N, which is equal to 8,395 times 100. 172,000 N is equal to 89500. 839,500. If I divide both sides by 172,000, then N is going to equal, and I'm rounding this, 4.88. 4 88/100. I rounded that. Now you don't want to round that to 5% because that would mean that he would be getting more than $8,395, and he's not. So we need to keep that percent the same. So the commission rate is 4 88/100%. Okay, so we can use the same proportion that we've been using all along. Part to whole is equal to percent over 100.